Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to be here today because summer is coming. And you know what that means, that we're going to be out with little short skirts, we're going to be out with a bathing suit, we want to look our best. And so I want to show you something from my juice book that I think is just amazing. It hydrates you, it helps you slim down, it just is very nourishing. It's got lots of energy that you'll get from drinking this juice. You'll just feel really good. And if you are on a weight loss diet, then this is a great juice to have. And I'll show you another little secret of mine at the end of this little demonstration. So my book has a lot of different detox, 3 different programs. So a short one, a little bit longer, and a longer one. And they're all a little different. And in the book, there's a glossary. If you have any particular ailments, it tells you what vegetables and fruits are good for that. So I love this book so much. It's a hardcover book. So I'm just going to start juicing. And wait, before I do that, I just want to say, I'm using this juicer, which is one I have, and everybody has something more like this. My granddaddy of juicers is back here, my pure juicer, which I absolutely love. Not everybody has that, but that's what I make when I'm going to make a lot of juice because it makes the best juice and I can freeze it. Yes, I can freeze it. It doesn't take away any of the nutrients. But today I'm going to use this because people will be more familiar with a juicer like this. But if you can, get one of those. They're great. So the first thing I'm going to put in is spinach. It uses a, cup or so full of spinach. I'm going to have to back up here to get my, well, I may not be able to have to get my plunger. I'll use this. This does have a plunger, but I forgot to get it out. All right, which is good. Regular kitchen. We're going to have half a cucumber in here, an English cucumber. I'm going to use a half a beet. This is a pretty big beet. Let's try this piece first. I might put more in it, but it's an awfully big one. So let me use this as my plunger. There it goes. Spinach doesn't make very much juice. It's a very low watery thing. Cucumber does a little better. Celery is great. So we'll see how much we get out of this. This is like 2 to 3 stalks of celery, depending on the size of your celery. And you can always add a little water to this when it's finished. I like to add a little ice water. It actually cleans my juicer at the same time as it gives me juice. I've already juiced with my little juicer, hand juicer here, but you can peel it and throw it in an orange or a lemon. I've just juiced it this time. Make the liquid. That's mixed together. That's coming out like a nice little juice. And then I have one little nub, this is about an inch or so, of ginger. If it's organic, which you buy as much of, this is all organic. I like to juice only organic. You don't have to take the skin off if it's organic, and if you have to take the skin off, then you just do it with a spoon and it takes the skin off. But this can go right in there because it's organic. I hear it doing its thing. All right, how easy is that, right? That's really easy. Now, sometimes I don't have to do it with the big juicer, but with this one, sometimes I strain it, takes out the pulp. I use a finer strain, but it's okay to drink it this way as well. And now I'm going to just put a little bit of water in here just to run out the rest of this is a little trick, I think. It's ice water, and I'm just going to put half a cup in just to clean out my juicer and to give me a little bit more juice. Okay, so that's the first step here. Second step is going to be to drink it. Doesn't take long, honestly, to be healthy. It just doesn't take as long as you think. And then I'm going to show you my other special trick. Look at that. Oh, it looks like I'm having wine. Look at that. And this made a lot. So this could be a thing that you sip throughout the day. Let me taste it. Oh my God, that's so refreshing. This is really delicious. Another thing I want to show you is my other little trick while you're during the summer. This is for digestion, for weight loss, I'm probably not allowed to say weight loss, but it does help for that. This is mint, fresh mint. And I put a mint tea bag in here, organic mint tea bag in here last night, just with plain water, purified water, and I left it in the refrigerator. And then today, I put in the mint from my garden. This mint water is so important to drink during the day. It helps with your digestion. It's hydrating. It's a great thing to carry around with you instead of just plain water because it tastes so great. That really is good. It punches the water up. So I think this is a great thing to keep in your refrigerator and take it on the run, especially today. It's so hot here today, I don't believe it. So I just want to tell you that I'm putting this book on sale today. It's regularly, what is this regularly, Mike?
$24.95.
It's regularly $24.95. Mike the photographer over here, my man. And we're selling this for $15. This is such a good book. Honestly, you'll have this forever. The photographer over here is Mike. He's doing great work and making this a beautiful book, hard copy. It's got so much information. If you don't own this, or there's somebody you love that you want to give this to, look at my website. It's youngonrawfood.com, and we'll put that underneath here. And make this juice and buy this book if you think it's a great deal, and we'll send it out to you. So thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.